Hi, this is Daniel again with Texas Barndominiums, and we are, I guess, day 6 of the build. We left off on day 5. We had a lot done in the first 5 days. So Eric and Leroy were very, very helpful at correcting me on some of my terms, and they did it so kind. They were never mean one bit, and they never made fun of me either, just in case you guys were wondering. But today what we're doing, we have a bunch of stuff that we cleared out. You guys saw that in the past video. We kind of just had everything moved out into this other area. They finished this off. We do have electricity coming in tomorrow, which is super exciting. Kind of get rid of this extension cord I got dangling here. So what we're gonna be doing is getting everything kind of cleaned out. You know, I guess Eric, over time, and just with anybody, stuff just builds up. And so we're going through it, seeing what we need, what we don't need. So that's what we're doing. We're getting everything back to kind of normal, getting things cleaned up, getting ready for the electricians to come in. We still have plumbing, we still have HVAC to do, but things are moving quite well. And that's kind of where we are. So it's day 6 of the build, officially, unofficially, not real sure yet. We're not building anything, but it is day 6 of the project. Again, the guys that came in, did the framing, did the siding, did a fabulous job. They worked very well, and they kept things nice and clean, which is awesome because we did have computer stuff kind of just hanging around. So I was very thankful for that. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up there, take a look at what we got going on in the office, in the new office. All right, so this is what we've got going on. We've got all the framing up. This is kind of the makeshift sort of deal for right now. But Eric is really doing a great job of just saying, hey, what do you guys need? Let's get it. You know, obviously within what we don't wanna go crazy, but he's being very thoughtful of making sure that we do get what is needed. So that is so cool. We have our shower over here, which is really just awesome. We have lights going in the stairwell. Some of you guys had mentioned in the last video that it was kind of dark. You saw me kind of walking up, but yes, we are gonna be putting lights in there. We got a new handrail going in. We have something cool going on too. You know, obviously we shoot a lot of videos, so we have an area that's gonna be specifically designed for shooting videos. Not everything we can do is actually out on location, so we're gonna have something set here so we can get those things knocked out, because you know the idea is to continue to bring you the best content that we can bring you. So over here we're gonna have lights hanging from our purlins, something I've learned. So we're gonna have lights here, we're gonna be putting some junction boxes for outlets. Lights are gonna be facing this direction. We're gonna have a backdrop in here, kind of a desk area where Eric and I can talk, or just Eric can talk about what we're doing or maybe upcoming things that we've got going on. So that's happening in this area. This middle area is gonna be kind of open. We're gonna have it outlets, and we actually have a lot of outlets and a lot of data going on because we want to be able to be ready for growth, for expansion. So this area is gonna be kind of open, but we will have enough space to where if we needed to add 2 more desks, we could do that. Back here obviously is where I'm at for right now. Things may adjust, but we're not sure. I kind of like the setup, but this will be an area where all the editing is going to happen. Everything from the Barndo videos, the Friday Feast editing happens here, any maybe upcoming crazy April Fool's videos, but all that will happen here. This is where a lot of that creative stuff will go on. And then behind me here, we'll swing around, is the ever popular Mercedes. This is where she will be. We're gonna have our office desk here. We do have everything really set up just to be completely functional and just flow very, very well. You know, one thing that Eric has mentioned plenty of times in the videos, you know, we like to have fun. So we wanna have kind of an open air office that we can share while we can still get our work done, but we can just really, you know, we're family here. You know, we don't just build together and we don't just work together, we do a lot of things together. And so part of being family is just kind of having this open environment where we can just continue to bounce ideas off each other, and not just for the videos, but how we can improve even on the builds and things that we're doing. So yeah, that's kind of the upstairs. Again, this has been a tremendous build for being 6 days in. We took kind of a few days off, but really a lot has happened. We still got a long way to go, but it is coming along pretty well. And I think we're gonna wrap it up from here. So until next time, I'm Daniel with Texas Barndominiums, and we are Texas Barndominiums.
Hey, how do you turn this thing? Okay. And I'm Eric.
Hold on, let me get this in here.
And I'm Eric, Texas Barndominiums. I made him shoot this video today because he's been doing the updates. So I said, you know what, buddy? This is your project. Alrighty, see you next time.